Today we will have a look at a group of animals that all of you have heard of. We will look at farm animals. But first of all, which farm animals do we know?
There are cows, sheep, pigs, chickens, goats, and there are also horses, ducks, turkeys, donkeys, camels, rabbits, and fish.
How much do we really know about farm animals? Have you ever thought about how they spend their lives? What they do all day long? And how did these animals become farm animals in the first place? Let's have a look together.
The ancestors of our farm animals were wild animals. They lived in the forests or grasslands. Many thousand years ago, humans started to catch and keep some of these animals. This was the beginning of the farming that we know today. So all farm animals belong to somebody. This person is called their owner. The owner can be a man with 1 chicken or a farmer with 1,000 animals. The owner plays a very important role in the life of the animals. They make the big decisions. The owner decides where and how the animal lives. Sadly, these decisions are often based on what's in the best interest of the owner and not so much what's best for the animals.